Hi everyone, the holiday season is here, and I've got 5 amazing ideas to make it extra special this year. First, host a festive movie night. Grab your favorite holiday classics, cozy blankets, hot cocoa, and enjoy some quality time with family or friends. Second, give back to the community. Volunteer at a food bank or shelter, or donate to a cause close to your heart. It's a great way to spread holiday cheer. Third, get crafty with DIY gifts and decorations. Create personalized presents or festive ornaments to add that special touch to your celebrations. Fourth, visit a holiday market or event. Enjoy delicious treats, beautiful lights, and festive vibes while supporting local vendors. And finally, plan a baking day. Make cookies, cakes, or traditional holiday recipes with your loved ones. It's fun and delicious. Let's make this holiday season magical. Which idea will you try first? Let me know in the comments. Happy holidays, everyone!